Alam mo ba, your brain is literally cleaning itself every day? May process na tinatawag na phagocytosis. Parang little Pac-Man cells. Kinakain nila yung mga luma at sira na parts ng brain mo. Hindi para sirain ka, kundi para ayusin ka. Cool, di ba? Ibig sabihin, built-in ang renewal mo. Kahit pagod ka, kahit sabog ang week mo, your brain keeps fixing things quietly. Now here's the lesson we can get from this. Kung ang utak mo marunong mag-let go ng hindi na kailangan, ikaw din dapat. Let go of toxic thoughts. Let go of guilt from yesterday. Let go of pressure na di naman healthy. Focus ka sa growth. Focus sa pahinga. Focus sa next step. Small progress counts. Rest counts too. You are designed to heal. You are designed to improve. Kaya laban lang. You're doing better than you think. Keep going. Ayos?